Hi, hello, assalamualaikum. So for today's tutorial, saya akan buat makeup look ni. So if you want to know, just keep on watching. Okay, first I'm going to hydrate my skin with this Alaska Energy Serum. So dia akan boostkan you punya hydration and make sure you massage it in, let it sink in. And after that, kita pakai moisturizer. So moisturizer, whether the Skin Food Light ni is a bit, dia macam cream punya type, so you kena, it's really good for your dry skin and you massage betul-betul, let it sink into your skin. Okay, eye cream is a must, especially dekat kita punya bawah mata tu is a bit macam delicate area, so just tap. Okay, this is one of my favorite primer, Wonder Glow from Charlotte Tilbury. Dia macam bagi you that instant soft focus effect, and dia instantly bagi you punya skin like so smooth, and dia ada like macam gold sparkle that I love. Okay, foundation hari ni saya akan pakai NARS Sheer Glow in Coat Punjab. Okay, Llisa recently macam selalu tengok Syedewa punya makeup tutorial, and dia memang pakai beauty blender untuk makeup clients dia. So macam okay, I'm trying to get used to pakai beauty sponge balik. So just tap. Okay, untuk cancel out kan my macam a little bit ada darkness sikit kat situ, so saya pakai this tart shape tip in coat light medium sand. So light medium sand ni memang warna dia lebih kurang sama dengan my current skin tone, so you tak dapat that brightness effect. So I tambahkan sikit dengan coat fair, just a little bit dekat tempat-tempat yang nak tambahkan brightness, and just blend. Okay, blend. Pakai the same beauty blender. Okay, now kita belum set lagi dengan powder, so just pakai this contour shade from Barbie and Dark's collaboration. You just letak, and if you rasa macam terlebih, you just pakai balik sponge yang ada excess produk tadi tu. Okay, now kita pakai highlight. So saya pakai highlight pixie ni, just mix the both colours and put on the high points of your cheeks. Lepas tu, okay, Barbie punya blusher ni is very pigmented, so make sure you really tap off the excess. Kalau tak macam wow, pink sangat nanti, and just put it on your cheeks. Now baru Llisa setkan everything. So bila you buat macam ni, you punya products tu akan tahan lama sebab dia macam like teknik tanam jugalah. And then just letak dekat whole of your face. Tap. So pakai brush yang besar so that dia punya application lebih rata dan nipis. Lepas tu saya rasa macam alamak, macam rasa macam putihnya pula. So I just ambil this bronzer from NARS untuk warmkan balik my skin tone, sebab I tak berapa suka kalau skin tone I macam putih. So I macam like tan warm sikit. Okay, just letak all over. And lepas tu I rasa macam I need kena sharpkan sikit I punya macam contouring area tu. So just ambil you punya powder and lightly bake you punya cheekbones pakai you punya translucent powder. Okay, for nose contour, just ambil, I'm taking the same product from Barbie tu, and I shapekan punya hidung macam tu, just follow my nose bridge. Lepas tu saya macam, kalau you rasa you punya nose contour tu too harsh, then you just ambil a fluffy brush and your translucent powder untuk blend out dia punya harshness tu, so that you get a more natural nose contour. Okay, this is my current favorite cream eyeshadow stick. So menggantikan you punya primer, so you tak payah pakai primer, you just pakai eyeshadow stick. And this is color Drama Brown. So I just letak dekat all over my eyelid sampai dekat crease, and then just blend pakai fluffy brush. Okay, with this fluffy brush you blend macam ke atas sikit, so that it creates a crease color. So that you pakai satu color tapi dia dah cover jadi crease color sekali. Macam tu. Okay, now I'm taking Charlotte Tilbury Golden Goddess palette, a head enhanced shade. Dia just like macam like topi shade sikit. Just put on top of the cream eyeshadow just now and blend it. You see, nampak dah ada macam like crease kan. Okay, this one I ambil the Champagne Diamond from Charlotte Tilbury. Dia eyeshadow stick juga, so I letak dekat macam dekat dengan lash line untuk brighten up kan I punya eyelid, sebab eyelid Llisa macam kecil, space dia tak besar. So this will help to brighten kan, macam membesarkan lagi kita punya eyelid. And ambil colour Pop from the same Charlotte Tilbury palette tu, so dia akan macam lagi wow, glittery. Okay, now champagne diamond balik and line your lower lash line all over your lower lash line, and the same color from Charlotte Tilbury pop color tu just put on top of the champagne diamond, so dia punya effect tu literally lagi boom, pump. Okay, ambil balik drama brown and Llisa deepkan sikit Llisa punya outer corner, bottom and upper outer corner tu, and just blend. Okay, now Llisa dah pakai lashes and Llisa nak draw sikit eyeliner. Okay, untuk eyeliner ni wing liner ni Llisa buat wing liner tu dia macam like panjang ke tepi untuk bagi efek mata tu macam panjang sikit instead of tarik dia ke atas. Okay, so take your time untuk lukiskan eyeliner ni sebab macam yes, wing eyeliner needs a lot of practice. Okay, lepas tu this one saya pakai Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Lip Liner. So just put all over your lips. Okay, tadi sebelum saya makeup saya dah pakai the lip balm untuk moistkan saya punya lipstick. Saya punya lips, and then untuk bahagian atas bibir saya suka macam like overdraw sikit sebab my bibir Llisa macam atas dia nipis sikit. Okay, now saya ambil Barbie X Darks punya lipstick in code Fashionista. This is one of my fave from the collection. Color dia macam like nude brownish sikit. Lepas tu saya ambil this Navidism Kalila Pop That Lips untuk brightkan lagi lip color tu. Okay, then just tap untuk blend everything. Okay, this is one of my favorite lip gloss. If I rasa nak macam nak tone downkan untuk macam bagi lagi neutral sikit colour dia, this is dark basic blur, a must. Lepas tu saya rasa macam I need a little bit more highlight, so saya ambil balik that Pixie highlighter and put at the center of my face, kat mana-mana point yang you rasa nak macam naikkan dia, and set everything with Kat Von D makeup setting spray. So this is the final look. Look ni memang macam sangat sesuai kalau you nak buat bridal look, dinner look. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye.